Hello everyone, it's great to see you all again. Today, I will show you how to clear the recent projects listed in the Project Manager in Plant 3D. Let's get started. First, close any open projects in the Project Manager. Then, exit the AutoCAD Plant 3D application. Navigate to the folder where the Profile.aws file is located. The full path is in the Notes section. Remember, this folder is in the AppData directory, which is hidden by default, so make sure to enable hidden items. Find the Profile.aws file and back it up before making any changes. Open the Profile.aws file using Microsoft XML Notepad. Go to Node Profile, then Storage Root, followed by AppData, Add UI Tools, Tools Info, Tool, and finally MRuList. Right-click on each MRU number and choose Delete from the menu. Save and close the file. Restart AutoCAD Plant 3D and you will see that the recent projects list is now empty. That's all for today's session. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on latest videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.